If you shop online with your iPhone, this quick update is going to save you money. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the brand new Capital One shopping extension to Safari on iPhone in 2025. It only takes a minute, and once it's active, Safari will automatically look for coupons and better prices while you browse. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the App Store and search for Capital One Shopping. When you see the official app, tap the download icon. Once it finishes installing, tap Open. The app will ask for a couple of quick permissions. Tap Allow, then Continue. You'll see options to accept Capital One Shopping's terms of service and privacy policy. Or you can skip creating an account if you prefer. Either way, works for getting the Safari extension set up. In many cases, the app will automatically switch you over to Safari so you can enable the extension. If it doesn't, no problem. Just open Safari manually. Now look at the bottom of your Safari screen in the address bar. You should see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece or extension icon. Tap it, then choose Manage Extensions. Under your list of available extensions, you'll see Capital One Shopping. Tap it and make sure the toggle switch is turned on. Once that switch is enabled, the extension becomes active instantly. From now on, whenever you shop online, Capital One Shopping will quietly check for discounts, coupons, and better deals right inside Safari on your iPhone. No extra steps and no hassle. And that's it. You've just added Capital One Shopping to Safari with a couple of simple taps. If this walkthrough helped you out, drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and enjoy saving money every time you shop.